If your client's CMO is getting asked about organic traffic that just disappeared, here's what's happening. DMG Media filed something very telling with the UK government. You see, DMG owns the Daily Mail, Mail Online, and Metro. And this was so important that they had to file an actual government regulatory filing. And they documented an 89% drop in click-through rates when Google's AI overviews appeared. CTR fell from 25.23% down to 2.79% on UK desktop. Mobile decline was 87%, US decline was 85%. Tollbit published their own numbers. AI search is cutting CTR by 91%. AI chatbots are even worse, 96%. Then look at what Google's CEO said. Sundar Pichai went on record saying AI overview clicks are higher quality. Elizabeth Reed, Google's head of search, said the same thing. So this client's CMO is on the hot seat, and the client's CEO is asking why traffic is down, and they want an answer. The CMO doesn't have one. That's where you walk in, with the story they can tell upstream and the playbook to actually fix it. That lost traffic isn't coming back the old way. Google says it's fine. The numbers say otherwise. Most agencies were heads down on old school SEO and missed the early window on optimizing for AI search. You've got 12 to 18 months to learn a whole new way of generating traffic before this becomes table stakes. Now here's a service line you could be adding to your stack if you've got the background or the curiosity to deliver it. Now if you're not subscribed, do that now. I publish agency growth playbooks using AI every week, and this topic is moving faster than most. Quick disclosure before I go any further, Search Atlas is sponsoring this video. They paid me to walk you through how I use their platform. What you're about to see from me, though, is an honest take. I'm a paid Search Atlas user, and this is the dashboard I check on my own business, not just a demo account. If something doesn't work, I'll tell you. Now, let's go. AEO stands for Answer Engine Optimization. You might have heard it as GEO, which is Generative Engine Optimization. You might have heard of AIEO, which is AI Engine Optimization, I guess. And here's the take that I have that's going to bother some people watching this. If you have 20 years of SEO knowledge, that's genuinely impressive. And it might actually be working against you here when it comes to AEO, because AI doesn't behave the same way that search engines behave. AI doesn't care about your human traits. It's not trying to prop up the old Google search ecosystem. It doesn't care about the 10 blue links. It just wants to deliver the best answer. Now, the search algorithms that powered SEO were designed by humans. Humans with incentives, an advertising business to protect, political pressure from publishers, from regulators, from all of it. LLMs are becoming self-trained and self-guided. The rules that built your SEO practice over 2 decades, a lot of those bets are simply off in this environment. So if you've never gone deep on SEO before or offered this as a service, if you don't have 20 years of assumptions about how ranking works baked into every call you take and every brief that you write, every client you talk to, that might actually be your advantage right now because you're not fighting against your own muscle memory. And if you're already running an SEO practice, the DA90 domain that ranks top 3 on Google right now, it might be completely invisible inside of ChatGPT. Domain authority isn't guaranteed to transfer to LLM credibility. The scoreboard is reset regardless of which direction you're coming from. There's 3 ways to package this service. The first offer would be an AEO audit, a one-time engagement, charge anywhere from $2,500 to $5,000 depending on the site complexity. You deliver an AI LLM crawl report, a citation gap analysis showing where competitors are getting cited and where the client isn't, plus you give them a structured content roadmap. The deliverable is a document. The real product is showing the CMO a problem they did not know existed. And that audit converts a high percentage of people to a retainer once you're done. Another offer, the AEO monitoring retainer. Monthly recurring revenue, $1,500 to $3,000. You track LLM visibility scores over time, alert the client when citation volume shifts in their category, and deliver a dashboard the CMO can screenshot and send upstream. CEO stops calling them, CMO looks like they have it handled. Third offer, full-on AEO management. Monthly recurring, $4,000 to $8,000 and up. Now you're running the audit, the monitoring, and actively optimizing, meaning you're restructuring content for answer engine reliability, publishing new answer structured assets, managing LLM bot accessibility at the technical level. This is the full engagement, and it's where a lot of the margin can come from. So when you feel the call from a panicked CMO, or when you introduce yourself to them for the first time, you can lead with your demo dashboard, you can hand them the 90-day roadmap, and you can charge them for that ongoing retainer services. Before we go any further, AEO is just one of the services that I get into depth on in my guide, which is 99 services to add to your business in 2027. Just drop AEO in the comments right now, and I'll send you the 99 services framework directly. Okay, let's get inside the platform, and this is Search Atlas. Starting with OTTO, their AI-powered SEO agent. OTTO handles the technical audit layer automatically. Site health, crawl errors, on-page optimization gaps. It surfaces them and prioritizes them without a manual audit pass. For an agency running 15 or 20 clients, OTTO changes the unit economics of your delivery model, and it does it because you're way more efficient. Now here's the AEO specific piece. This is the LLM bot crawl tracker. This is the slide that your clients have never seen before. It shows which LLM bots are crawling the site. GPT bot, Claude bot, Perplexity bot, Google, extended, how frequently, which specific pages they're hitting, and which pages they're completely skipping. Now I've run this on my own site and on prospects, and the pattern that keeps showing up is that sometimes your high value pages are getting very low LLM crawl frequency. This report can be your opening slide in every AEO pitch. Moving to site metrics, you're polling traffic health, authority signals, and benchmarking the client against their top competitors inside the same reporting view. No exporting from 16 different SEO tools, no stitching together separate tools to get it all to work. And those are the dashboard screenshots that your CMO sends upstream. That is some of your accountability that you are checking that AEO box. Now the LLM Visibility module. My read is that LLM Visibility is going to start replacing rank position as the number that clients actually ask about. It's already happening with the more sophisticated buyers. Search Atlas is already tracking it. Now you're pulling citation volume across the major AI answer engines, how often the client is being cited, in what context, and it's all compared to direct competitors in their category. Now this is what replaces rank position as the metric that clients care about. Combine the bot crawl data with the LLM visibility scores, and that's your monthly retainer deliverable. The CMO has their number, the changes you're implementing helps that number go up over time, and you charge to move that number. You charge to move the needle. So that's some features in Search Atlas specifically around AEO, and the link to Search Atlas is in the description. And for a second reminder, drop AEO in the comments. The 99 services list will be sent to everybody who asks. 3 things that kill this engagement before it starts. 1, positioning AEO as better SEO. The second you frame it as an upgrade to their existing program, the client files it under roadmap items and nothing moves. If you're new to this game, you're better off pitching it as a separate traffic channel with a separate budget line, because that way you're not competing with SEO, you're getting new budget coming in. 2, leading with the technical work. Now, no CMO is eager to sign off on a budget for a crawl audit. They approve budgets for improving results. Lead with their LLM visibility score, and then you do the technical work to explain why it's low and how to improve it. 3, delivering a report nobody connects to revenue. Now, if the CMO can't show the CEO how LLM visibility ties to their pipeline, it's a vanity dashboard and you churn in month 3. Build the revenue bridge every single month. And that is the retention play. The agencies that own the next 18 months aren't the ones that had the biggest SEO practice 5 years ago. They're the ones who showed up today and delivered on what their clients need the most. So that's it for this one. Drop AEO in the comments for the 99 services framework, and I'll see you in the next video.